Hello, my name is Benjamin Hart. I'm an American attorney and the managing director of Integrity Legal here in Bangkok, Thailand. As the title of this video suggests, we're discussing whether or not Thai immigration sort of encourages use of business visa, of visa professionals. And visa professionals, we're talking law firms like us, visa agents so-called, although, and we've done other videos on this, visa agents, it can be a mixed bag when you're dealing with visa agents here in Thailand. As we've discussed, in an American immigration context, visa agents are illegal. 8 CFR 292.1 is very clear. But with respect to Thailand, we don't have that same set of jurisprudence here. And, so-called visa agents, in certain circumstances, quote-unquote visa agents, may be highly helpful. So it is kind of a mixed bag, although we have seen problems, and we've had to step in and sort out problems on behalf of clients because things happen with respect to a visa agent. Now, the question is, I had some correspondence from someone who had a bad experience here recently at Thai immigration, and basically his takeaway was he kind of thought that immigration would just sort of prefer to use, prefer that there be sort of an intercessor, there be sort of an intermediary between the actual foreign national and immigration in the form of, a visa professional. An agent, lawyer, whatever. I don't think that's necessarily the case, depending on the kind of I will say, and we've dealt with immigration for a number of years, we've had them say, in fact, that they do kind of prefer dealing with law firms, folks that deal with immigration a lot, especially in a business visa context, because the documentation associated with that is rather substantial, and folks that are used to dealing with it, that have long experience dealing with it, are oftentimes in the best position to, make those cases move a little bit more smoothly. Whereas oftentimes you'll have a frustrated foreign national, trying to do it themselves, and it's a lot of paperwork, long story short, in a business visa context. Meanwhile, in other types of non-immigrant visa contexts, it may not be. Retirement visas, for example, folks may decide to do it themselves, folks may not. I've always likened immigration somewhat to taxes. You can decide to do your own taxes if you want, but there are implications to that, and there are upsides to it. There are people that have no problem doing their own taxes, but there are people that say, and oftentimes it's for convenience or peace of mind, to say, look, I'd rather just hand that off to somebody who deals with that every single day and let them just handle it. So immigration can be like that. Now, do they have the attitude that they sort of encourage professionals? I don't really think so. In fact, I think most of the time they're probably on a level of indifference about it. But I will say in a business visa context, I have definitely seen them over the years kind of prefer to deal with somebody that knows what they're doing on a very detailed level with respect to business visas.